Hey, what up, everybody? Leah Selly here with Graffiti Eyes, and I'm back. And I had a great idea. So, this everything you can see my O Canada video. If you saw my O Canada live video on Facebook, I painted a bunch of stuff using my new stencils. So, by the time I was finished, videoing, I ended up getting an order, and so I was like, it's only like 1 o'clock in the morning. I was just about to pack it down. I may as well just pack up the order, so it's ready first thing in the morning. And I'm kind of walking around here, and that person ordered 2 stencil kits. They got the O Canada, and they got the new Pets collection. And the Pets one, I'm always giving away a little free stencil with it because it's a new stencil kit. So I want to have like something extra, I don't know, just to like be thrilling. And I'm kind of walking around and I'm like, oh, what else should I stick it, because she's ordered 2 things. And I was kind of like, I don't know why I felt compelled that I had to stick like two something else in the thing, in the packaging. And then I thought to myself, dang, why don't I give away these like little practice art cards? So I was thinking to myself, yeah, why not? And since it's like it was so late by the time I did my live video that not many people got to see it, right? So I was kind of thinking, yeah, maybe first thing in the morning by the time somebody sees this, or if Australia gets on board, or Hawaii, I think they're still awake right now. But anyways, I got one more person, and I'll be giving these 2 cards away, and they're just nice. I mean, obviously you can see them right here in action. But it's a nice little souvenir, and I like them. I hold on to all my little art cards that I do, and yeah, so I figured I'd give them away. So I'm not telling which one I'm picked to give away first, but order up because there's still one to get. And I think I might do this for every video. I think I might have a little giveaway at the end, so stay tuned. Remember to stay tuned to the end of videos, or stick around so you can figure out and learn what you can win. So if you're watching this on YouTube, then run over in the description below, and there'll be a link to my website where you can get the stencils. And if you're watching it on Facebook, make sure to give me a little thumbs up or a comment or something like that, so I can look out for, say hi. And you can hit in the links in the description there to run over to my website. Anyways, thank you so much, and I'll talk to you guys soon. All right.